requested giving a hand today because he wanted my input on how or how much you can cut the bumper. And I met James. James is a British classic car enthusiast. He has a 39 Rolls, and that day he was driving an 88 Jaguar XKS TWR. And I was like, oh wow. And I asked him if I can shoot the car and if he can talk a little bit more about the car. He was interested to do that. This parking lot was beside a noisy highway, so excuse the road noise. And I tried to do the best I can with the audio and the video improv too.
To a Jaguar dealer.
Yeah.
And you said, okay, I want a sportier XJS.
Yeah.
They said, okay, here's the option sheet. What do you want? You want a set of wheels? Yeah, that's what you got.
Wow.
So all kinds of options on this car. Everything you could have got, except the body kit. I didn't like it. Everything you could have got, I got.
So I'm gonna assume you bought it brand new?
No.
Oh.
No, I've done this up.
Okay.
It's a tribute car.
Okay. So it is a TWR. Wow. What brake setup is in there? Because I don't see any rotors or drum.
Because it's inboard.
Okay.
Jaguar had inboard for better handling, okay? It's a pain in the neck to service and stuff, but Jaguar...
inboard close to the diff?
Yep. Which could be trouble, because they can heat up... Well, I've raced cars like this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I've never raced this. And when you race cars like this, you can get the diff getting warm and heating up the brakes, right? Which you don't want. Heating up the brake fluid. But this...
I can't imagine this fender. This is stock?
Yes.
And your ride height is stock?
Sorry?
Your ride height is stock?
Yeah. Now there's offset on the wheels. The wheels have offset on them, but this is all stock. But it's got a better sway bars, like everything.
The thicker sway bars.
Oh yeah, everything, front and rear. So everything you could have done on one of these, I've done. But more than just the badges, like I've done it. You can see the gear shifter at the Tom Walking Shop Racing data plate. That's an authentic data plate. And then I'll show you under the bonnet, which is quite the sight.
Richard had one of these, and it was an 86.
Yeah.
He told me to sell it. And it was a V12 too, but that was an automatic.
Well, it started as an automatic until I put the high speed.
Wow.
But everything.
This is tight.
This is tight. All of these badges are correct.
Wow. This is very tight.
And the best badge of all, let me show you over here. So that's a correct badge, and that's a correct badge. So like I've really done it up.
Wow. How did you locate these badges?
I had to get them made up.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. There's dual radiator fans. It's one for AC and the other one for motor?
No, both for cooling. I got one there, and then I got two at the front auxiliaries.
And the ones in the front, they are aftermarket or?
Aftermarket, yeah.
Yeah, and it's electric. Yeah.
Cooling, yeah.
But you still have it thick. It's pretty thick.
But it's tightly cowled, and I have them manually switchable. Like I've done a lot of flying in my time. I don't mind moving switches and stuff.
So you have a switch you can flip it and...
I can turn them on and off as I want.
You know what, in these cars, if you're sitting on Toronto in traffic, you need it.
Yeah.
You need it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. So this is the kind of... so this is an unusual car.
Absolutely.
Because of its suspension, which has got a lot of good stuff on the suspension, quicker steering, all kinds of stuff. And because of its manual transmission.
I have a pen where I was doing that in my car. These hollow spaces, you can just put white on it.
Oh, yes.
So you get the white lettering.
Yeah, but they would never have had that with this car.
Got it.
Yeah.
Wow, the body is mint.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Mint.
Yeah. And it's a pretty fast car.
Yeah, it doesn't weigh much at all.
It's 4,000 pounds.
Oh.
But it's got a fair bit of torque. But the gears make the difference.
So what gear setup is it?
Well, it's a 5-speed with a .68 overdrive.
Okay.
So at 120 clicks on the highway, I'm doing 1900 RPM.
It's 0.68, that's low.
Yeah, very low.
So the overdrive is on number 5 or on top of number 5?
No, it is number 5.
0.68.
Yeah.
What is number 1, 2?
318, this kind of stuff, you know.
Okay.
Like it jumps off good.
And 4 is 1:1?
Yep.
Okay.
But the beautiful thing is I get the good acceleration in the lower gears.
Because you got torque, you got torque, all sorts of torque.
Yeah. And then on the open road, at about 3,000 RPM, I'm doing 115 miles an hour. Like you just go.
Yeah. Because you have torque like 500 foot-pounds coming in.
No, it doesn't have that much.
Really?
Yeah. It was a revving engine rather than a torquer. Yeah. And they use this engine for a lot of racing. It doesn't give you the torque you think. It's 5.3 liters, which is a 327, but it only has about 300 of torque. It doesn't have as much as you think.
So, how about horses?
Horses, 300.
Okay.
Yeah. Now your Skyline, that's got a lot of power.
Yeah. Well, that's a different genre.
Oh yeah.
Can you start it up if you don't mind?
Start it up?
Yeah. It is very sleeper.
Yeah, it's a sleeper already. And because I've raced them before on road races, like I know how to drive this thing, you know, so I can surprise a few guys.
I'm sure. Wow. Especially the moment you said you have the 5-speed because the gearbox, the automatic gearbox.
Yeah, it's nothing. It's horrible.
Garbage.
3-speed automatic.
It was 1:1 on number 3.
Yeah.
So first and second gear, they were really tall. You are in the rev all day long.
Yeah. So that's what they faulted this car for. People did not like, drivers did not like that transmission.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't like that transmission, so I said to myself...
So how did you get that upter plate?
Well, what I did is I was racing a lot. But we had a race car like this, but, you know, race roll bars and everything. So one of the guys who helped us was a fabricator. So I said to him, Chris, I need a manual. I can't drive this automatic anymore. So he fabricated it.
Yeah.
But it works good.
Yeah. Wow.
So
it sits so nice, and believe me, these rims, it changes the look.
It does, and these rims were 8 inches wide. In 1988, that was wide.
Yeah. Square setup or staggered?
Staggered.
So 8 in the back?
8.5 in the back and 8 in the front. Yeah.
That's a lot of grip.
It's a lot of grip. And because I got the sway bars, I haven't hurt the ride, but she doesn't lean.
And the Continental, the Extreme Contact?
Yeah, they're good.
That's a sticky tire.
Sticky tire. So I just wanted good handling, and I got it.
Have you tried Toyo 888R?
Toyota what?
Toyo, T-O-Y-O.
Yeah, I've heard of the tires.
888R.
No, I haven't heard of them.
It's
very sticky.
It's 200 thread compound.
Wow, that's low.
Yeah, but it's good.
Yeah, it's good. That's sticky. Yeah.
It's sticky, and then Bridgestone RE71.
No, okay, but I like these.
Yeah.
And these are going to be on for a long time, you know.
Because you don't drive. You probably don't.
Especially now.
Yeah. Oh wow.
But I got this nice. This goes into gentle oversteer at very high limits. So you can be driving at very high limits. I go to the Moose Sport driver development track once a year just to get back in the groove.
Wow.
And then very, very high quartering limits, I get just gentle oversteer. Which is what I like.
Well,
At this point, my battery died, and I actually didn't even realize my battery died. So we kept talking more and more about this car. I asked James after this pandemic is over if I could come over and shoot his rolls, and he was down for it. So when I go there to shoot his rolls, let's see if he's willing to take me out for a drive in this TWR. Thank you for your time. Please hit the like and subscribe button and the bell notification for a lot more awesome content to come in.